Part of this chapter 2, that is the table in Microsoft Access, I am going to explain about how to create the new table in datasheet view. As you know earlier that the MS Access is basically a database which is in tabular format, and we have to create certain database by using the different views. Okay, so there are two different views, that is the datasheet view and the design view, by which we can create a table and in which we can feed our data. Okay, so first of all, we have to learn about how to create a new table in datasheet view. So in this topic, I am going to explain one by one. As you shown that firstly, if you open the MS Access, there is a interface where we have to create a database and put the database file name and the location. After opening the MS Access, there is a menu bar, and whichever the menu, that is the create. So we have to firstly click on the create button, then comes a menu, and then comes a ribbon like a structure, and which we click on the table button. Okay. Now this is basically open in datasheet view, through which we can create the table. Okay. So double click the column header to click the on the right side on the right pane. Double click on the column header to create the field name and type any name, that is the student name ID or registration number or enrollment number, something you would like to enter the unique identification number in that particular field. After entering the data, that is the field name, press enter. Okay, now click on the next column and choose the data type. In the next part of this chapter, I am going to explain about the data type, various data type which is used for the entering data in the MS Access. So there is an option to choose which type of data you want to feed in this particular column, either in the text or either in the currency, either in the date, hyperlink. Okay, lots of data types are available in the MS Access. Later we will discuss about it. So select any of the data type, that is, let's suppose here select the text data type. After creating this, we have to create several types of columns and their data types. So these steps can be repeated from 6 to 8 to more than fields to be created in the table. Okay. Now creating a table in a design view. So that was the part of the creating a table from the datasheet view. But how can we create the table in a design view? मतलब हम लोग design view के थ्रू, दो मैंने view बताया, एक datasheet view और दूसरा design view. So datasheet view में हमने उस तरह से table create किया. अब हम लोग design view में कैसे करेंगे? तो we can also make the table in design view जिसमें कि ज़्यादा हमारा control होता है, and we can also apply some descriptions, and we can also apply certain primary key which will be unique for the whole database. Okay, so there is a field name and the data name. So field name हमें वहाँ पे choose करना पड़ता है. There must be unique for each field in the table. एक field name में जो है आपका एक unique होना चाहिए, जिसमें registration number, enrollment number, student ID वगैरह वगैरह कुछ भी, और बाकी बहुत सारे fields आप जो है create कर सकते हैं. Name, roll number, class, section, transportation fees, address, mobile number, email ID, whatever you want to create is a field in the database. But before creating the database in a field name, we have to choose the various data types. Which kind of data you want to enter by the user. किस तरह का डेटा आप उसमें एंटर कराना चाहते हैं, तो उसके लिए हमें डेटा टाइप चूज करना पड़ता है. तो डेटा टाइप डेटा एंट्री इज रिस्ट्रिक्टेड टू वैलिड एंट्रीज फॉर द टाइप यू चूज. अब जैसे मान लीजिए आपने डेट का किया है, तो उसमें नंबर ही एंटर होगा, उसमें टेक्स्ट नहीं एंटर हो सकता. तो दिस काइंड ऑफ दिस प्रोवाइड्स द काइंड ऑफ वैलिडेशन ऑन दैट particular field by using the data type. Okay, so these are the various data type, that is the text, and it is a general purpose containing any data, and its limit is 255 characters, and it cannot be used for numeric calculation. ये numeric calculation के लिए नहीं use होता है, सिर्फ text के लिए, जैसे नाम, father's name, mother's name, address वगैरह अगर आपको उस field के लिए generate करना है, then you have to choose the text data type. Similarly memo, this is at limit of 63,999 character. मतलब इसमें अगर descriptive आपको कुछ उस field में आपको mention कराना है database में, then you have to choose the memo data type. Similarly number, it is stored the numerical data type which is used for the calculation. Date and type, which is used for valid date and times. Currency के लिए हम लोग use कर सकते हैं. Auto number, that is used for auto sequential for each record. Yes or no का भी हम लोग 0 और 1 से कर सकते हैं. OLE object is basically used for creating another application and link with them access. मतलब कोई दूसरा application Word Excel का हो, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि access के साथ में उसका linking हो जाए, then we have choose the data type OLE object. Hyperlinking, This is also very used for linking the various website email address from the database. Database से ही डायरेक्ट क्लिक करके उसके email address या वेबसाइट पे हम लोग जा सकते हैं या दूसरे कोई फाइल पे हम लोग जा सकते हैं. That is used whenever we used to put this kinds of data in the database. Then you have to choose the data type is a hyperlink. Lookup wizard is, this is basically a drop down list which is used for selection for the various values. Okay, attachment, we can attach various files there, that is the Word file, Excel files, and many other files through the attachment data type. Okay, now calculated this type of access is new. ये जो है आपका 2010 में ये नया आपको मिला है और इसका हम लोग you can use to create calculated fields directly in the table. Okay, and description, we can all the enter detailed description in the field. Okay, so I hope so you understand that we have to create the table in two ways, that is the data sheet view and the design view. The most important is that is used for any kind of table in the design view. This is most comfortable and lots of options are available there in respect to the data sheet view. I hope so you understand very well, and thank you very much.